Nothing beats the filling and supporting increase in having a morning meal bowl to begin your day. Furthermore, assuming you're on an ape diet, this recipe is for you. It's loaded with protein from the meat and mushrooms matched with salad greens and smooth avocado. Including radishes with the existing blend brings a wonderful crunch. What's stunningly better? This recipe just requires 20 minutes to make. Envision awakening to a warm, encouraging bowl of porridge. Presently, envision it's paleo, ape accommodating, and made in your moment pot. With this recipe, you can accomplish it. Each bowl contains coconut goodness, generous squash, and rich flavors. You can finish off this rich porridge with cherries, berries, and seeds. Chicken apple wiener is a delectable and simple method for change up your ape diet. Produced using ground chicken, apples, and flavors, this dish is fabulous. It's substantial, delicious, and appetizing, and it'll certainly take your breath away. This basic recipe makes for the most delicious nibbles sure to dazzle. Hotcakes are an exemplary breakfast treat. In any case, imagine a scenario where you're on the ape diet. You can't have hotcakes, or possibly not the typical kind. In any case, I have something different for you, banana hotcakes. These hotcakes resemble soft bundles of heavenliness, yet they're great for you.